What is going on, apes? My name is Tyler. Welcome back to the channel. And as you guys already do know, if you are invested in AMC, today was a very volatile day, something we've been talking about for a while. These next 2 weeks are going to be incredibly volatile, so it was not a surprise whatsoever. What was a surprise is two brand new announcements from AMC itself, specifically Adam Aron. We are going to be talking about this AMC and Gamestop partnership, what potentially they are partnering to do, but also, I do want to go over one sentence from Adam Aron's tweet that really does suggest that they are getting ready to announce this deal, that they have actually agreed to something, but they are working out the final details before they release this to the public. We are also talking about something else very important that AMC has never done in over 100 years of business that they are starting to do, which should increase revenue overall for AMC as a business. So let's get into it, guys. We're going to go over a couple other things you guys need to know, but drop that like on the video, subscribe to the channel, hit that comment section. Let me know what you think the partnership is about. Put on your tinfoil hats. Let me know what you guys are thinking. And with that, let's get into this video. First and foremost, let's acknowledge the very volatile day that we did see today in AMC stock. We opened the day, we top tick on this candle. You guys can see right here, this is today, beginning of trading at $49.40. We pretty much immediately sold off from that, going down to about $45.76, and then gradually came back up and then went down a little bit. And then once we did get this news that actually did come out, we top tick about $49 with AMC stock. We did close the day here at $46.42. Now, there's a lot of reasons why we're selling off after this announcement did come out. We have not actually got confirmed that this partnership is going through or not. We are still speculating if it is, but like I said, one key sentence alone in what Adam Aron did say does lead me to believe they are getting ready to announce this partnership and the details of this. But due to laws with the SEC, you cannot come out and say that you have a partnership or even imply that you are going to have a partnership if you are not close to a partnership or already agreed on a partnership. So that is really why I do think this is actually going to happen. We're going to talk about a couple theories, like I said, that, you know, they may partner on, and that is really tinfoil hat like, but we will just see in the next couple of days or so, maybe in the next couple of weeks. But another reason why we're selling off a little bit today, down about 2% in after hours, currently down 0.90% for the day, is that the fact that the overall market is down a lot. And when you do see these huge pops like we did see today, pretty much out of nowhere when news does come out, it doesn't necessarily mean that more people are buying the stock. I've talked about this a couple times on this channel. It comes down to trading algorithms. When they are facilitating these trades, they will widen the spreads, the bids to ask, and really create that initial pop. If you do see a lot of people piling into the stock because of that news catalyst, you will see a continued rally with the stock. We did not see that, but we did hold up at these levels for a decent amount of time. So I do think there was some buying, but mixed with the short sellers really hammering down the shorts on AMC stock. Whenever we do get these big candles, and the fact that we didn't see enough buying to sustain these prices close to $50, that is really why we did sell off towards the end of the day. But this is very much still in play. So let's talk about, first things first, the one thing that AMC has never done in the existence of the company, and we're just going to read this headline to this article. It says AMC is about to do something it's never done before: advertise on TV. Now, I thought this was very interesting because AMC, in the whole over 100 years of business they have used the producers of the films to go out and advertise for the movie. And essentially, people would go to AMC because they are a theater chain and they are the largest theater chain in the world. So that is how the whole process worked with advertising. But they are allocating $25 million on a multimedia campaign featuring Academy Award winner Nicole Kidman. It says traditionally, movie theater owners have relied on studios to promote films and drive moviegoers to their local cinemas. CEO Adam Aron said AMC will no longer rely on, in quotes, what's always worked before, noting that the COVID pandemic has pushed the industry into, in quotes, uncharted waters. So this will be interesting to see how much further revenue this does drive. And I think this is going to be overall very productive for the company. They do still have $1.8 billion in cash. $25 million is not even going to put a dent in that, but it could drive more revenue than $25 million by doing this advertising. So it'll be interesting to see. Hopefully some of you guys get a chance to see some of AMC's commercials on on television. That would be awesome. Hopefully they do some YouTube ads as well. Now let's get into the meat and bones of this video. This is a tweet from Adam Aaron. It says, breaking Adam Aaron to Clanman Countdown. We have made contact with GME on a partnership. We're not ready to say what it is, says AMC, now playing offense to get folks back to the theaters with epic $25 million ad spend. Now, the sentence that I'm talking about is right here. We're not ready to say what it is. So this pretty much implies that there is a deal on the table they have agreed to. In my speculation, it does sound like they're trying to work out the last details of this before they come out and say this. We heard on the earnings call that they were going to be looking into a possible partnership with Gamestop. They have probably been in a partnership talks since the last earnings call, which was a couple weeks ago now. So I do think they have some kind of agreement, but they're really waiting to get all of the details put together before they do come out with this information. Like I said, these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 words right here really lead me to believe this, just because you cannot make statements like this if you are not seeing a deal, right? If you're not really close to a deal, you wouldn't be saying that. So overall, I do think they are going to. You're actually seeing quite a bit of hate about this on replies to this tweet. I wouldn't pay too much attention to this. Really, this is a huge momentum catalyst. This could be considered the mother of all meme stock catalysts. GameStop and AMC merging and having a baby with a partnership. That is a great way to think about it. This is a huge catalyst overall. It will drive a lot of momentum. You're likely to see algorithmic trading programs start to bid up the stock, as well as more people that are waiting to get in on AMC that aren't necessarily apes right now, that are waiting for some positive catalyst to jump into the stock, considering we have held these over $40 prices for well over the last week. So we're likely to continue to see this rally. And just on a technical basis, on the 4-hour candlestick chart, it is very clear we are waiting for this breakout above $48, which is going to be a resistance level. We see a lot of fighting around $48, but ultimately past 50, and then the sky is going to be the limit. You're going to see some short sellers in AMC stock that are over leveraged, potentially getting margin calls and being forcefully liquidated. So that is the situation. I do expect, hopefully, within the next couple of days, they come out with what actually this partnership is. And I do think you're going to have a strong pop and a strong continuation after this is actually announced and confirmed by both companies. This could be absolutely huge, force a lot of shorts to cover just based off of the momentum this is going to create. So that is really what you guys need to know. That is my speculation as far as what potentially the deal could be about. We do know on the last earnings call, they were talking about partnering for gaming events. So something along those lines would not surprise me whatsoever, partnering with GameStop to do some of these gaming events. That is really my best guess, but there can be a lot of different things that they are partnering on. We're just going to have to wait and see what does come out. Hopefully, like I said, in the next couple of days, if not the next couple of weeks, we should hear some follow-up information about this. So let's just briefly go over the Vortex data and then wrap this video up. So we're looking at 19.04% short interest percentage of free float. This is only an estimation. In the next couple of days, we will get the exchange reported short interest data. So this number could go up a lot. It could go down a lot, depending on how close this estimate is from the actual numbers when they are reported. Now, I don't even like to look at the return shares and the borrowed shares just because it's coming from the free flow on loan. I like to look at the free flow on loan itself, try to predict what is going to happen with the short interest because of this. And basically, the last time that we did see a major sell-off went down about 8%. That was Wednesday, I believe, of last week. We did indicate that about 2% of the total flow outstanding with AMC was sold short into the open markets. We were actually a little bit conservative on that prediction. We actually seen about 3% of the float be sold short into the open market. So what it is looking like right now, you are seeing the share utilization went up about from 7 days ago, only about 0.3%. So staying relatively flat, but you are seeing the free flow on loan continuing to go up. 7 days ago at 20.6%, now at 23.43%. So there's a lot of interest in holding these shares on loan, getting ready to sell them short into the market. And From the difference between the free float on loan and the short interest, you're looking at 3.43% difference. So what does that mean? There's 3.43% of the overall float that is held in brokerage accounts that has not actually been sold short yet into the open market. So if we do see 2 to 3% of the float be sold short into markets on any one given day, you are likely to see a very red day, and then to see the short interest continue to climb again. But when the exchange reported short interest comes out, we are probably going to see the short interest go up a couple percentage points. But just with this free float on loan being so high and the usual difference between the estimated short interest and the free float on loan, I do estimate that the short interest could go to about 21% here in the next couple of days. It'll be interesting to see what did happen with this move today, because obviously we were down about 3%, including regular trading and after hours trading. So that is really all you guys need to know. Big congratulations to everybody in AMC. I am now up on my AMC position, hundreds, I believe thousands of percent. So definitely big congratulations to all of you guys. Keep them diamond hands. We really do dictate the price. But drop that like on the video. Consider subscribing to the channel. Let me know down below in the comment section what you think this AMC and GameStop deal, or partnership, I should say, is going to be. Put your tinfoil hats on. Let me know your wildest theories. I would love to hear your guys' opinions on the situation. Also, check out the 4 links linked down below in the description. There is a free AMC Discord chat, obviously all about AMC stock, so check that out. It is free $99. Also, a link for the buy and sell alerts. And over the past week or so alone, with about $400 worth of initial trading money, you would have made enough in profits to cover that cost for well over 1 year's time. So definitely check that out. We keep it very inexpensive, so as many people as possible are able to join the program and to expand their knowledge with long-term investments, with day trades, swing trades, long-term investments, crypto, using mostly options, but depositing to the long-term and buying crypto here and there. So definitely check that out. Also, the 2 links for free stock. There's a link for public. You get up to $70 in your choice free stock. It only takes about 3 minutes time to sign up and receive your free stock. No need to link a bank account or deposit a single dollar. And you can also link a debit card. So they make it very easy to fund your portfolio if you don't want to wait the typical 2 to 5 days with micro deposits. Also, the link for Weeble. So check all those links out. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your night, and I will see you in the next video.